How to change app icon on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change app icon on Android phone. First then go to Play Store and now just type here X icon changer and then click on it, and here you will find it. Just click install. Now just wait and then click open. And now just select any app here like this one, and here you can find any icon you want, and you can just select it from your gallery. And let's select anything here like this one and then click OK. And as you see here you will find it, and that's how to change app icon on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.